Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create an Echo chatbot using N8N and Waysender API. So first, we start by creating a new account. If you already have an account, just log in. I'm going to create a new account. As you can see, I'll fill in the password, confirm it, agree to the terms and privacy policy, and then click on Create Account. After creating the account, as you can see, I need to confirm my email. I'll copy the confirmation link because I'm using a different browser, as you can see. Now, the plans show up. To explain this tutorial, I'm going to choose the free trial. Here, I'll click on Create My First Session. Now I'll name the session, it doesn't matter what you call it. Then, you enter the phone number you want to create the chatbot with. In my case, I'm going to enter my number. As you can see, a QR code appears, which you need to scan with your phone. As you can see, I'm now scanning it with my WhatsApp. Right now, it's connecting, and great. It's connected. As you can see here, we're allowed only one message per minute since we're on the free trial. You need to keep that in mind. Now, let's move to N8N. We'll create a new workflow, and here we'll search for webhook. We search for webhook, and as you can see, we choose the post method. Now we go back to the Waysender API platform and click on Edit. We activate this option, paste the URL, select Message Upsert, and then click Save. As you can see, these are the steps to link the Waysender API platform with N8N. Now we're going to do a test to check if the connection was made or not. As you can see with me here, I'll use my phone. I'll send a message, "Hi," and we'll see. And yes, the platform has been successfully connected to my account. Now that it's linked, I'll search for the set node to define the columns we're going to use in this tutorial. The first things we'll choose are remote_JID and conversation. Now we run it to see, and yes, we got them successfully. Now let's search for HTTP requests. This will allow us to send a message back to the user. Of course, we'll choose the post method as usual. Now let's choose the endpoint URL. As you can see, there are many options, sending an image, sending a video. But we're only going to send a text message. As you can see, this is our endpoint. We also have two fields. 2, which means the phone number of the person who will receive the message. Text, which is the message content we're going to send. Now we'll paste the endpoint, and then link Waysender API with N8N. We'll get the API key from our session. We copy the key and paste it here in the bearer token. We click Save, then enable Send Body, and choose the option to manually set the body. We write two fields. First 2, then text. As you can see, in the value for 2, we choose remote_JID. That's the person who will receive the message, and it's the same person who sent us the message. And for the value of the text, we select conversation. As I said at the beginning, we're creating an Echo chatbot, so whatever the user sends, we send the same message back. Now let's run the bot and see what we get. As you can see with me here, the bot replied back to us. So everything is working perfectly. Now I'll send "Hi" again, as you can see with me. Let's run it one more time so you can see what appears. As you can see here, we got an error. It says we can't send more than one message per minute because we're on the free trial. This error is coming from Waysender API. To solve this, of course, we need to upgrade our plan. As you can see, I'll now click on Upgrade Now. I want only one WhatsApp number, so I'll choose Upgrade Now, make the payment, and come back to you. Now as you can see, after I made the payment, I go to Manage. As you can see, the error is gone. Now I can instantly test again. I'll send another message. As you can see, I'll turn it on. And there. I've received the message. Again, as you can see, I'll turn this on. And as you can see, our Echo bot is working without any issues. This video was just a simple explanation to show you how to connect the N8N platform with the Waysender API platform. We'll make another video to explain more advanced features, where we'll build AI agent automation using the Waysender API platform. Thank you so much.